Hey everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. And one of the most common questions I get are, what are the most popular products that we have specifically for women with thinning hair or hair loss? Stay tuned, you're gonna find out. So hair loss in women is a little bit different than male pattern hair loss. In women, you can have thinning, you can have some recession, you can have a loss of volume, a loss of coverage. And so at Bauman Medical, we use a variety of different treatment options to target the female hair follicle, which in general is a little bit more sensitive to a variety of factors than male hair follicles. Female hair is more sensitive to inflammation, to changes in nutrition status, to effects of stress, and a variety of other factors that could be influencing the hair follicle, causing it to miniaturize, weaken, or shed, and appear like you're having hair breakage or hair loss. And so we can target you nutritionally. So we use, for example, the Builder Collagen that builds protein, great for hair follicle growth. We can decrease inflammation by using a probiotic in the gut, like the Good Guys. We can also decrease the effects of stress, make you more resilient to the effects of stress using Zen Master, which contains ashwagandha. And we need to definitely keep the scalp health on point. And so that's why we have very, very specific hair care products that decrease inflammation and boost hair growth in the Bauman MD line of Boost and Soothe. Probably our most popular product is called the Hero, or Super Biotin, as we call it here at Bauman Medical. And everybody knows that vitamin H for hair, or B7, is very, very good for hair growth. And so that's what the Hero is for. And you can add that to your regimen very safely. It's got 10,000 micrograms of biotin in it, which you could take daily. Builder Collagen contains the building blocks for hair, those amino acids that are very, very specific for boosting hair growth. Because as we start to stimulate the hair follicle to grow better, thicker, stronger, healthier hair, we want to make sure your body has the building blocks for hair growth, and that's where the Builder Collagen comes in. Everybody knows the effects of stress can detrimentally affect your hair. Cortisol, which is the stress hormone, basically triggers the hair follicles to shut down. We want to make your body more resilient to the effects of cortisol and stress. And we do that through ashwagandha, which is a stress adaptogen. Here at Bauman Medical, we call that the Zen Master. One of the more important things about the gut or GI tract that we know now that we didn't years ago is the importance of the microbiome. Those are all of the different bacteria that live in our gut symbiotically with us to help us maintain emotional health, to decrease our overall inflammation, and to create homeostasis. And so if you have some kind of a GI dysregulation, it's really important to be on a good quality probiotic. In Bauman Medical, we call that the Good Guys. Scalp health is extremely important for good quality hair growth. Think of it as the soil in the garden where you want to grow good plants. So minimizing inflammation and boosting hair growth can be done using a combination of the Boost hair care products or the Soothe. To get the best effect from these products, we use them synergistically depending on the patient's situation. Of course, it can be used in combination with medical therapies, at-home laser light, in-office treatments like PRP, PDO, or TED, even hair transplantation. And so if you'd like to learn more about these particular products for women, go to our e-store and click the links below.